Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining about Wacom Pen tablet for online teaching. Whoever looking for some physical tool to write virtually when they are taking online lecture, or a mathematics teacher, physics, chemistry, economics, or anyone who want to use writing while they're presenting their presentation. For all these teachers, this video is going to be very useful. So what we are going to see in this video is where we can buy this pen tablet and how we can install this software so that it works smoothly, and then on which platforms we can use, for example OneNote, Journal++, or with the help of Epic Pen we can use this pen to make our online teaching more effective. Okay, so you can see that this is the pen tablet. Before going to show other things, this is the 10-inch pen tablet. You can see here, uh, it's like a screen area is marked with just like graph sheet. Okay, and backside it will be just in red color. Okay, so a small very compact design, and it is very good. This is the pen. Okay, here it is very easy to hold this pen, and you can see here there is a mouse, right click, left click, two options are available. But I suggest initially you don't need to go with this mouse options, you will have a lot of confusion. So initially we can use this for just for writing purpose and uh, virtual platform. Okay, so where we can buy this pen tablet, let me show that so that you can understand things better. So if we go here in Amazon, it is available. This Wacom pen tablet, this is 8 by 6 inch. Just a second. So if we go here, you can see that I purchased on 6th August this one for myself. So for 6,800 rupees, we get this good pen tablet. And nowadays, even other companies are also of this price range. For example, XP pen tablet, earlier it was little less cost. Now it is around 6,500. So by seeing price, this is not much difference. So it is very good. One can have it. As a teacher, I recommend anyone to buy this, because no matter whether you are a math teacher or anyone, because whatever presentation you have, you can make even more interesting with such type of pen tablets. Okay. You can see that there are a number of good reviews are available. So many people have purchased this. Then once you purchase this one, so this is the you can see here that graph type thing where you can start writing. So almost more than 80% area is given for writing purpose. Okay, fine. Now once you receive your pen tablet, the first thing what we should do is you go to this website. They have given their website on the file itself in the parcel. So you just go there and download this software, Windows around 38 MB. You just download this and install it. The software, it will ask for restart and so on. You do those steps. After that, you connect your pen tablet. It will start working smoothly. Okay. So if we don't install this software, this may not work that much smooth. Even though it works, but it is not that much smooth. So I recommend to install the software, and after that you can start using it, right? So once we start using this software, where we can start using this pen tablet is the first, for my choice, is OneNote. Anyone can use it, OneNote, for freely. Whoever have Windows operating system, that OneNote is already pre-installed. So OneNote for Windows 10, if you search in search bar, you can see that OneNote for Windows 10 will be available here. Okay. So this, if you have Windows 7 or Windows 8, then you can download this OneNote for Windows 7 or Windows 8. You have to install it. Okay, the link I have given in this description. You can go and download, whoever not having Windows 10, right? But it is freely available. What we have to do is you have to log in first time. If you have a Microsoft account, you can log in it. Otherwise, you can create freely. Fine. Why I like this OneNote so much is that because you can see that as of today I have taken more than 16 lectures, first 2 introductory and then 14. Okay, so each and every lecture you can organize it in very structured way. Whenever you want to go, you just click, with one click you can go and access that. Okay, this is like a digital notebook. Whenever you want, you can access it and you can show to your students, you can recall the results. It's very useful thing. Okay, that is one reason why I suggest people to go with this OneNote. Now if I want to add, how I will show it, how we can write on OneNote. You just you go here and there is a draw option here. Okay, if you click on this draw, then this is eraser, different types of pens will be available. This is highlighter. Okay, and different sizes, 0.5 mm you can see here, and this is 1 mm. So thickness will be like that, and you can click on anywhere, and of course you can change to this thickness here, and colors also you can select, right? So you select this. Suppose I selected this pen. Now the moment I select it here, I can start writing. You can see the moment I write, you can see that in that picture, hello, welcome to demo of Wacom pen tablet on OneNote. Okay, so you can see that we can write quickly, and uh, if we start using for 2 or 3 days, initially it is little different, but once you start using it, you can write actually even better handwriting than on Blackboard, because on Blackboard there will be more friction and so on. Now suppose I can see that I can write my mathematical expressions, equations very fast and accurate way. Okay, integration from a to b, f of x dx. Okay, so anything we can start writing here. It is as just like you have assumed that you have whiteboard and marker, you are start writing in that same sense. That much smooth feel it will have. Okay, now second thing is, if you have a presentation, as I said, you can add your presentation, you can make your presentation more interesting with the help of this pen tablet and this OneNote. So you can go to here, insert button, then you can insert file, any type of file you can insert. It will be converted into printout form, and it will, or you can directly click on this printout. You can also include pictures, you can include online YouTube videos, you can directly give link, you can include also audio files. Many things are available. So I'll just explain one. You click on this printout. So if we click on this printout, then it will ask for browse, right? So suppose I have my commutative algebra notes, so I can click on this. It is little bigger, so it may take just few minutes, few seconds. You can see that it is saying inserting printouts, okay, as images. So it will insert within a few seconds. Yes, it is inserted now. Okay, now you can, you have your PDF file, your presentation is ready, as well as you have a lot of space here. So you can start writing and you can start explaining things to your students. And wherever you want to highlight, now this pen you can take draw, and if you want to highlight something, suppose you, this is a module satisfying both ACC and DCC, is called module of finite length. Okay, or if you want you want to extra write some examples, then you can start writing some more examples, and you will have a lot of space here, so you can use it for instead of only everything writing on this one, you can start explaining here. Okay, what is meant by, so I just don't go in detail here, because this is only for explanation purpose. Whatever we want to write, we can start explaining things. Okay, where we cannot write many things on our presentation, then we can start writing. Okay, and we can explain to our students, they will understand far better. And in everything we can share it with our students as a PDF file. Okay, if you just give control P and save it as a PDF file, and you can share it with your students, this PDF will be there, as well as your explanation will be there. Okay, this is one of the best advantage of having OneNote as well as pen tablet, right? Then the second choice is this Journal Plus Plus, which is also freely available. This Journal Plus Plus works on 64-bit, but for 32-bit, simply Journal is there. It is similar to this. both links I will give in YouTube my this video, you can download. Okay, now here also immediately this is the pen. Here also similar features will be available: pen, eraser, highlighter, images you can insert. What is not available here is you cannot have it sections, subsections, all those things straight away here. Okay, you have to save it every lecture as a separate PDF file. Then you can share it with your students. Okay, but that is also fine. Then you select your pen and you can start writing immediately. Hi everyone. Okay, uh, this writing, okay, is not as smooth, okay, as smooth as on OneNote. Okay, frankly speaking, OneNote, it's a butter smooth, that much smooth you feel while writing. Somehow in Journal plus plus it is not that much smooth, but it is far better. I mean, I should admit that Journal plus plus is one of my favorite earlier, but once I started using OneNote, then there is a lot of difference. Okay, fine. This is another way. Here also you can start inserting a PDF file. You can annotate a PDF file. You just click on this PDF file. Okay, I'll discard these things. And suppose I take something. Uh, okay, take this whatever PDF file. It opens that PDF file. Yes, you can see that here this PDF file is open here. Okay, now I'll remove this file. I think it is gone now. Okay, so here only one disadvantage compared to OneNote earlier. You can see that there is a lot of space here after inserting this also. Even you can make it however big you want, right? Still there will be a space where you can write on side. But whereas this one here, it will be fully occupied. So there may be less space is available to write down. So it may look so much messy when you are annotating if you want to write something more. Okay, that is the thing one should keep in mind, right? So you cannot do much annotation on this Journal plus plus or any other, whereas in OneNote we can do many things easily, right? So you can start writing, whoever using Journal plus plus, you can keep continuing, or you can start using OneNote. Then the third one which I want to explain is this. uh, if you see the small icon here, so let me minimize this. So the small icon which we have here is called Epic Pen Tool. Okay, this is very very popular, and it is free version, and pro version is also available. Most of the time free version is more than sufficient. So what is this Epic Pen does here is that you can start writing something, you can start drawing something here immediately. You can highlight something. This is two color. Okay, let me take this pen and change to this. Okay, fine. Now I can start writing here. Okay, you may ask why you require Epic Pen when you are already writing on this one. The advantage is that if you don't want to disturb your presentation, if you don't want to save it whatever you are writing on that, then you can use this Epic Pen tool, because Epic Pen tool is like virtually you are writing on screen, not actually on OneNote. Okay, so audience will see this, but if you by just pressing this button you can delete it. Okay, that means it is not actually reflecting your OneNote or Journal plus plus or anywhere you want. For example, if I go to this OBS itself, if I want to explain something here, I can start exploring and I can start writing things. Okay, for example, I say this is the sources are available here, and here you have controls, and this is, you can see that audio, this is the audio, it is going on. So whenever we want to explain something, we can explain it here, and after that you can simply remove this so that it will gone, right? So this way one this Epic tool is very very useful. It helps a lot when you want to highlight something without disturbing your PDF file or any other thing. Okay, these three I want to attach to this pen tablet. Not only that, even just because you may think that this may be useful only for this lockdown purpose. No, I am having pen tablet from last 10 years. Of course, earlier was eyeball. Okay, so you can use it for many purposes. Even after your after lockdown also we can start using it. For example, you go to paint, whoever are artists, then for them it is very good. They can take anything and they can start drawing something. Okay, I am not a good drawer, so you can if you ask me, I'll just draw some car. Okay, that is the easiest one which I see that I can write it, even though it is not so good. But believe me, even our in your family, if kids are there, they will also start liking it. Something different than writing on normal notebook. Okay, so this is definitely going to be a handy tool for teachers as well as our family members. Whenever they want, they can start using it, and it costs around 6,800 rupees. So you can decide whether you should have it or not. Fine. So these are the things. If you have any doubts, you can post it on my YouTube comment section. I will try to reply it. Okay, and if you have not subscribed my channel, you subscribe it and share it with your colleagues, so that I will be releasing soon some useful videos, uh, especially for this teaching community and students. Okay, thank you.